It began with a simple request for help on Facebook. Norfolk-based relief organization Orphan Grain Train put out a call last week for donations to help purchase another tanker truck to bring fresh water to residents affected by floodwaters. Just 24 hours later, they had what they needed. On Wednesday, Orphan Grain Train revealed that Nucor had stepped up with a donation that was enough to purchase the truck and another $100,000 on top of that.
You're sitting here at Orphan Grain Train with many requests, and you're humbled by the fact that there's only so many you can help. When you get a sizable gift like this, all of a sudden your ability to reach more increases.
The tanker will be used all over the state, likely first headed to southeast Nebraska to help towns along the Missouri recover, before another probable trip up to Spencer to help those affected by the washing away of the dam.
That still is in such need, and to get water in water towers is what our goal is.
Orphan Grain Train officials say the biggest challenge at times has been getting residents to accept the help that's being offered to them.
Nebraskans are slow to ask for help, but they're eager to help. And we got to get to the people that are not asking for help that really need it. And again, this gift does that.
But the shiny new tanker stands as proof of the type of help that Nebraskans can provide if only you ask. In Norfolk, Eric McKay, News Channel, Nebraska.